Welcome to Passive Income. Are you dreaming of earning money online? Imagine waking up to commission notifications all while you sleep. This is the power of passive income, and Amazon affiliate marketing is your ticket to success. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unlock the secrets of this lucrative opportunity. Get ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom. Let's dive in and explore the world of Amazon affiliate marketing together. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. Amazon affiliate marketing is a simple yet powerful way to earn money online. Imagine turning your passion for products into a steady stream of income. Whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone with a knack for sharing great finds, this program can be a game changer. As an affiliate, you promote Amazon products on your website, blog, or social media. You can write reviews, create engaging posts, or even make videos showcasing the products you love. The key is to be authentic and provide value to your audience. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Your audience gets recommendations they trust, and you get rewarded for your efforts. The more you promote, the higher your potential earnings. It's like being a virtual salesperson, but without the hassle of inventory or customer service. You don't have to worry about stocking products or dealing with returns. Amazon handles all the logistics, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating content and driving traffic. Amazon takes care of everything, from processing payments to handling shipping. They have a robust system in place to ensure that every order is fulfilled efficiently. This means you can rest easy knowing that your customers are in good hands. Your job is to drive traffic to your affiliate links and watch the commissions roll in. You can use various strategies like SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns to reach a wider audience. The more targeted your traffic, the better your conversion rates will be. With millions of products available on Amazon, the earning potential is limitless. From electronics to fashion, home goods to books, there's something for everyone. The diversity of products means you can tailor your promotions to suit your niche and audience preferences, maximizing your chances of success. Why choose Amazon as your affiliate partner? The answer is simple. Amazon is the undisputed king of e-commerce. With a vast selection of products, a trusted brand, and a seamless shopping experience, Amazon is the go-to destination for millions of shoppers worldwide. Amazon boasts high conversion rates, meaning that people who click on your affiliate links are more likely to make a purchase. This translates into more commissions for you. Plus, Amazon's global reach opens up a world of opportunities to connect with customers from all corners of the globe. Ready to embark on your Amazon affiliate marketing adventure? This journey can be both exciting and rewarding, offering you the chance to earn passive income by promoting products you love. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started on the right foot and ensure your success in the world of affiliate marketing. First, sign up for Amazon Associates. This is the official affiliate program of Amazon, and it's free to join. Visit the Amazon Associates website and create a free account. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Provide basic information about yourself and your website or social media platform. This includes your name, address, and the URL of your site or social media profile. Next, choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This is crucial because it will help you stay motivated and create content that you are passionate about. This will help you create targeted content that resonates with your audience. When your content is authentic and engaging, your audience is more likely to trust your recommendations. Then find relevant products. Browse Amazon's vast catalog and choose products that are relevant to your niche. Look for items that you believe in and that you think your audience will find valuable. Consider factors like product quality, customer reviews, and commission rates. High-quality products with positive reviews are more likely to convert into sales. Once you've chosen your products, it's time to start creating content. Start creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or any other type of content that your audience engages with. Make sure to seamlessly incorporate your affiliate links into your content. This means adding them in a way that feels natural and not overly promotional. The goal is to provide useful information and recommendations that help your audience make informed purchasing decisions. Monitor your performance regularly. Use the analytics tools provided by Amazon Associates to track your clicks, conversions, and earnings. This will help you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your strategy over time. With dedication and the right approach, your affiliate marketing journey can lead to significant rewards. Stay consistent, keep learning, and enjoy the process of building your affiliate business. Section 5. Success Secrets, Best Practices for Affiliates. To thrive in the competitive world of Amazon affiliate marketing, it's crucial to follow best practices. These practices not only help you stand out, but also ensure long-term success and sustainability in your affiliate marketing journey. First, focus on a niche. Specializing in a specific niche allows you to become an authority in that area, attracting a targeted audience that is more likely to convert. When you narrow down your focus, you can create more relevant and valuable content that resonates with your audience's specific needs and interests. Second, be transparent. Disclose your affiliate relationship to your audience. Transparency builds trust and credibility, which are essential for maintaining a loyal audience. When your audience knows that you may earn a commission from their purchases, they are more likely to trust your recommendations and continue to follow your content. Third, create quality content. Provide valuable, informative, and engaging content that solves your audience's problems and helps them make informed purchasing decisions. High-quality content not only attracts more visitors, but also encourages them to stay longer on your site and explore more of your recommendations. Additionally, consistency is key. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. This not only improves your search engine rankings, but also keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, answer questions, and be active on social media. Building a community around your content fosters loyalty and encourages word-of-mouth promotion. By following these best practices, you'll establish a strong foundation for affiliate marketing success. Remember, the key to thriving in affiliate marketing is to be genuine, provide value, and build trust with your audience. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve remarkable results and grow your affiliate marketing business. Section 6. Tools of the trade resources for affiliate marketing. Leverage these powerful tools to streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. First, Amazon Affiliate SiteStripe. This handy tool allows you to easily create affiliate links directly from the Amazon website. Second, Google Trends. Use Google Trends to research popular keywords and identify trending products in your niche. Third, affiliate plugins. If you're using WordPress, explore affiliate plugins that simplify link management, tracking, and reporting. These tools will save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on creating great content and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Section 7. Avoiding pitfalls. Common affiliate mistakes. Steer clear of these common affiliate marketing mistakes. First, neglecting tracking. Always track your affiliate link, clicks, and conversions to measure your performance and identify areas for improvement. Second, promoting too many products. Focus on promoting a select few high-quality products that you believe in. Avoid overwhelming your audience with too many choices. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll increase your chances of affiliate marketing success. Section 8. The future is bright affiliate marketing in a digital world. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, affiliate marketing is poised for continued growth. With the rise of e-commerce, social media, and mobile devices, the opportunities for affiliates are endless. By staying ahead of the curve and adapting to new trends, you can position yourself for long-term success in the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Section 9. Case study. Sarah's success story. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for cooking into a thriving online business through Amazon affiliate marketing. Sarah started a blog sharing her favorite recipes and kitchen gadgets. By incorporating affiliate links for the products she recommended, Sarah was able to monetize her blog and earn a significant passive income. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of affiliate marketing. Section 10, your turn. Take the leap into affiliate marketing. Are you ready to unlock the incredible potential of passive income? Amazon. Affiliate marketing offers a low-risk, high-reward opportunity to achieve financial freedom and success. Don't wait, take the leap and start your affiliate marketing journey today. With dedication, hard work, and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial dreams. The world of passive income awaits.